Bathroom cleaning hacks. First, I'm throwing on some disposable gloves and removing everything off of my bathroom counter, spraying it down with a cleaning vinegar and wiping with a microfiber towel to remove dust and toothpaste residue. For deeper cleaning in my sink, I'm breaking out the pink stuff and my Scrub Mommy to lift any buildup, rinsing, then going in with my deep cleaning brushes in the drain and crevices. Next, I'm adding cleaner to my mop bucket, pumping it to remove excess moisture and scrubbing down the floors. Lastly, I'm restocking my toilet paper. FYI, all of my cleaning finds are from the Home Depot. They carry thousands of trending products for any home cleaning or DIY projects with fast and free shipping on all cleaning items. Viral cleaning hacks. Testing out this famous spot cleaner the best way I know how. Catch up on my favorite white rug. I smeared it, spritzed the stain with the fluid, then went to work. As you scrub, it slowly sucks up the stain into the machine. No mess or sopping wet rugs. It's definitely white rug approved.
Amazon Busy Parent must-have. This steering wheel tray is great for busy families, especially now that after-school activities are in full swing. It's perfect if you find yourself waiting in your vehicle. And it's compatible with pickup trucks, which is a feature you will only find with the InReach Up brand.